Up YouTube, out about today. Things are not quite going as planned with the van, so I thought I'd just record a little video to let you know what's happening with the van, because maybe things that I've said in previous videos, yeah, things are not quite happening in that order. So first thing is, obviously, one of my last videos, we bought a big brake, SF Tuning's big brake kit, which is great. We're still doing that, we're still putting that on. But while I've been sort of working out the spacing that we need for the wheels and things like that, and the wheel offsets and the tyres and all that, it's maybe not quite as straightforward. We're just going to bang a 20mm spacer on, and that with that. But 20mm is too big, so we're going to have to run a 15. But then we need to look at, the reason for that is that the 20mm put the wheel out too far, which is fundamentally just an MOT fail, and it looks ridiculous. So the upshot is, we're in a 15, we're going to need a slimmer tyre. Now, tyres I've got on are still pretty good, there's a lot of life in them. So if you've sort of watched the previous videos, I'm going to wait till the spring next year to fit the kit and get a new set of tyres, a slimmer set of tyres. Probably going to go with a 255, either a 35 or a 45, just a narrower tyre, just so the van looks alright. Upshot of that is, that'll delay doing the rear brake upgrade as well, so that'll probably follow early next summer. But with the change brings opportunities to do other things as well. So the plan, I think, next, the other two bits I wanted to do were get the front seats retrimmed and get the comfort dash retrofitted. Now, retrofitting the comfort dash is going to need time off work. Place I want to do it is down south, so it's a bit of a road trip, and I ain't got any. My holidays at work run January to December, and I haven't got all my holidays for the rest of the year accounted for, so that's not going to be any time soon. So I think what we're looking at doing is maybe after Christmas we'll look at getting the seats retrimmed, and yeah, we'll sort of work up a design for that. I've got an idea already. I'm not just going to do something plain, we'll do them in a leather, but I've got a design in mind, so I'll share that with you in the future. In other things, I need to get rear bumper resprayed. That's a job that needs doing over winter, and this Friday, which is 13th today, it's 18th on Friday, we were looking at getting the kit, the big brakes fitted. What we're doing now is actually fixing the squeaky auxiliary belt, so it's going for a new auxiliary belt and tensioner. One thing I'm playing about with as well is some silicone hose stuff for the engine bay. I want to try and make the induction kit quieter, and looking at trying to reposition it a bit in the engine bay. So I've got some silicone hoses, so that may be a video if it works. It might. I'm filming stuff, but it might not be a video as well, because it might just fail completely. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, just wanted to keep people in the loop. I know people have commented on my brake kit and stuff and asked me about it, so just wanted to say, if you're expecting that video soon, it's going to be another 6 months, realistically. Just because I want to get a bit more life out of the tyres I've got now. So yeah, stay tuned, that's all coming. So we are still doing a lot. We've done a lot this year. We've done anti-roll bars, we've done the single seat conversion at the front as well. So we have done a hell of a lot this year, amongst other things, and there's more to come. But yeah, time and cash, yeah, not in abundance, so you know, I am limited by budget. But yeah, thanks for watching, stay tuned. All of that's coming up in the next sort of 12 months or so. But yeah, just wanted to keep you in the loop, really. But yeah, if I don't post up before Christmas, have a nice Christmas, and subscribe to the channel for you know, all the stuff coming. Hopefully I'll get something out by end of year or early next year, and yeah, I'll see you soon.